Hi guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm planning for the 30th of April through to the 6th of May, and I'm using this kit from Planet Beautiful. It's one of her essentials kits. This is my first time using one of these. It's only a 3-sheet kit, so it's going to be a little bit different. So you have 6 full boxes, some glitter headers and functional deco up here. You have lots of boxes, labels and checklists. And you also have this functional page with headers, more functional deco, some sidebar stickers and some glitter stickers. And I did also pick this up a la carte. This is the bottom washi and the date covers, and you also get some extra glitter flags in here. So I'll have heaps, I'm pretty sure, for my week on 4-page personal size. And these are all on matte vinyl and they're absolutely gorgeous. I love, love, love these stickers. Highly recommend this store. I don't PR for them or anything. They're just really nice stickers. I've also pulled in a bunch of foiled stickers. I feel like this pink cranberry sort of warm tone kit could do with some rose gold. So I have a bunch from Arctic Paper Studio and from Melville Plants, and I also have these ones from Kiki K. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use this little floral because it matches the cranberry in this kit perfectly. I also have this Kaiser Craft sticker book, and don't be fooled by the cover, the mint. It's got lots of pinks and rose gold inside. So I may use some of this as well, but I'm not sure at this point. But I'll label it up here in the top corner like I usually do. If I do use some, pretty excited to use this kit. I really, really love these colors, especially for autumn. It matches my nails really nicely too, actually. This is going to be a memory spread. I've been super sick this week. I've been so incredibly sick. I got a late start in the week anyway, and then we got sick midweek, the whole family. The kids were sick earlier in the week, and then hubby and I got sick midweek, and we're still pretty sick. It's Sunday today, I know, so bad. So by the time I finish the spread, I'll need to start next week's, but that's okay. Okay, let's get into it. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like watching and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you at the end.